Good morning, everyone. First, all of you, happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, so let's start our class. In previous class, we have started the aliphatic nitro compound, in which we have completed its preparation and its chemical property. Now, in present lecture, we will see its chemical reactions. So, the first chemical reaction is acidic nature. Okay, so whenever the nitro group is attached on the aliphatic compound, the alpha carbon containing hydrogen will be acidic. Why it is acidic? Let's see here. When proton will be acidic, it easily remove and form a negative charge on the carbon, so we call it as the carbanion. Now in case of nitro containing compound, this carbanion can be stabilized by a resonance. Okay, so here we get two different resonance structure, and due to this resonance structure the negative charge will be stabilized, and hence both the proton are acidic in nature. Okay, number 2, halogenation reactions. So under basic medium, primary and secondary nitroalkane are easily undergo electrophilic substitution reactions on the alpha position to give dihalo or trihalo derivative. Okay, next reactions, Michael addition reactions. Okay, it is a nucleophilic additions reactions on the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Okay, let's see how this reaction will be takes place. So nitroalkane, when treated with the sodium ethoxide in ethanol solvent, it easily abstract the proton from the alpha position and form nucleophile. Now this nucleophile will attack on the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound to form oxyanion intermediate. Now this oxyanion intermediate on protonation we get the enol form structure. Now this enol form structure undergo tautomerism and we get a ketone, and overall this reaction is called as a Michael addition reactions. Okay, what is a Michael addition reactions? It is a base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reactions on the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Okay, next reactions, reductions reactions. So nitroalkane undergo reductions reactions by using a different reagent. Okay, so here we are using 3 different reagent and their condition are also different. Okay, so first reduction reaction is carried out by using a catalyst. Okay, here we are using Raney nickel as a catalyst, and hydrogenations reaction is carried out. Hydrogenation reaction means addition of hydrogen. Okay, so in this reduction reactions, the two oxygen of nitro group will be removed and 2 hydrogen will be added. Overall nitro group is reduced into amine. Okay, now second reduction reaction is carried out by using zinc, iron or stannous, that is tin metal, catalyzed under acidic medium, and we get a amine as a product. But third reduction reaction is carried out under neutral condition, catalyzed by zinc. Okay, and we get a hydroxine amine as a product. Number 5 reactions, carboxylation reactions. So in this carboxylation reactions, the nitroalkane react with the magnesium methyl carbonate and we get a alpha nitrocarboxylic acid. Okay, so let's see the reactions. The nitroalkane when treated with the magnesium methyl carbonate, and carboxylation reaction will be takes place on the alpha position. Carboxylation reaction means addition of carbon dioxide. Okay, followed by acidification we get a alpha nitrocarboxylic acid. Number 6 reactions. Okay, action of heat. So primary and secondary nitroalkane when slowly heated around 300 degrees centigrade, and degradation of primary and secondary nitroalkane takes place and we get a alkene as a product. Okay, but if rapidly heating is carried out, then explosively liberation of gases will be takes place. Okay, so let's see the reactions. Nitromethane when rapidly heated we get a carbon dioxide, hydrogen gas and nitrogen gas. Okay, hence nitro compound are highly dangerous chemical. Okay, so be careful when we use in the lab. Okay, now we will see the aromatic nitro compound. So nitro group when attached on the aromatic ring, then we call as a aromatic nitro compound. Let's see some example here. So nitrobenzene, para-nitrobenzene, 2,4,6 trinitrobenzene, that is a picric acid. Okay, its common name is picric acid, which are we use in the lab. Okay, and the next molecule is TNT. The full form of TNT is 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene. Okay, this TNT used in the explosion. Okay, now we will see the preparation of nitrobenzene. So here we will see two different method. Number one method from benzene. So let's see the reactions. This benzene when treated with the nitrating mixture, that is a combination of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, and temperature is maintained around 50 to 60 degrees centigrade, we get a nitrobenzene. Same way, the aniline can be oxidized by using trifluoro percarboxylic acid or peracetic acid and or hydrogen peroxide in acetic acid, we get a nitrobenzene. So in this oxidation reaction, the 2 hydrogen of aniline will be removed and 2 oxygen of peracid or hydrogen peroxide will be added. Okay, so overall this reaction is called as a oxidation reaction. Now we will see the chemical reactions of this aromatic nitro compound. Here we will cover this 3 type of reactions, that is electrophilic substitution reactions, nucleophilic substitution reactions and reduction reactions. So let's start with the electrophilic substitution reactions. In this electrophilic substitution reactions, we will see the nitrogenation reaction and halogenation reactions. So in nitration reactions, first we will take nitrobenzene, and nitration is carried out by using a nitrating mixture, that is a combination of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, and temperature is maintained around 100 degrees centigrade. Then we get a metadinitrobenzene, and if vigorous nitration is carried out, then we get a 1,3,5 trinitrobenzene. Okay, same way halogenation reaction also give a meta product. Okay, so halogen will be added on the meta position, and we get a metabromo nitrobenzene and metachloronitrobenzene. Okay, and this halogenation reaction is carried out in the presence of Lewis acid as a catalyst like iron metal, or we can use anhydrous aluminum chloride. So overall, in case of nitrobenzene, electrophile will be added on the meta position. Okay, now we'll see the nucleophilic substitution reactions. So in case of nitrobenzene, nucleophile will be added on the ortho and para position. Okay, we will see in details this nucleophilic substitution reactions in the end of the at the last part of this lecture. Okay, number 3, reductions reactions. So the reductions of aromatic nitro compound is depend on the conditions which are used, and also depend on the media in which the reactions carried out. Okay, so overall here we will see 5 different type of reductions reactions. Number 1, catalytical reductions. Okay, so nitrobenzene on catalytical reductions by using Raney-Nickell, we get a aniline. Okay, so here complete reduction reaction takes place. Now same way, nitrobenzene reduction can be carried out by using tin metal or by using iron metal or zinc metal. Under acidic condition we get a aniline. So further here complete reduction reaction will be takes place. But under neutral condition, number C, under neutral condition, nitrobenzene when treated with the zinc dust in the presence of ammonium chloride, then we get a N-phenyl hydroxylamide. So here partial reduction takes place. Okay, and we get a N-phenyl hydroxylamine. Number 4, under alkaline condition. Okay, so under basic condition, the final product is depend on the which type of reducing agent we are used. Okay, so here we will see the three different type of reagent which we will use under basic condition. We get a different product. Okay, so nitroalkane, when treated with glucose solution, glucose reagent under basic conditions, then we get a azoxybenzene as a final product. Okay, now nitrobenzene when treated with the stannous chloride under basic conditions, then we get a azobenzene as a final product. And this nitrobenzene when treated with the zinc metal under basic condition lead to the formation of hydroxybenzene, and this hydroxybenzene further undergo reductions and we get a azobenzene. Number 5, electrolytic reductions. Okay, so the nitrobenzene on electrolysis we get a phenylhydroxylamine which further undergo reductions and we get a para-amino, which undergo rearrangement and we get a para-aminophenol. Now we will see the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so we already seen these reactions early and we will see in details here. Okay, so now see this nitrobenzene. On this nitrobenzene, the nucleophile will be added on ortho, meta and para position and we get different resonating structure. Okay, so first we'll see the ortho position. If nucleophile is added on the nitrobenzene at ortho positions, then we get a 5 resonating structure and overall negative charge is delocalized. Okay, एक बात हमेशा याद रखना, जब न्यूक्लियोफाइल बेंजीन पर अटैक करेगा तो नेगेटिव चार्ज बेंजीन पे डिलोकलाइज होगा। यदि इलेक्ट्रोफाइल एरोमेटिक रिंग पर अटैक कर रहा है तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज रिंग के अंदर डिलोकलाइज होगा। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल क्या है, OH माइनस है तो नेगेटिव चार्ज डिलोकलाइज हो रहा है। ओके, सो न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक ऑन द ऑर्थो पोजिशन एंड वी गेट अ 5 रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर। सेम वे, if nucleophile is attacked on the para position, then we get a 5 resonating structure. Okay, but when nucleophile is attacked on the meta position, we get only 3 resonating structure. तो ये इंडिकेट कर रहा है कि जो न्यूक्लियोफाइल ऑर्थो और पैरा पोजिशन पे अटैक करेगा तो हमें 5 स्ट्रक्चर मिल रहे हैं, उसके कारण ऑर्थो और पैरा प्रोडक्ट हमें मेजर मिलेगा, मेटा प्रोडक्ट में मिलेगा लेकिन उसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम रहेगा। ओके, तो आज के लिए इतना ही। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। ओके, थैंक यू।